Hey, what's up? And welcome to Pamati Tutorial. Makinig, manood, at matuto. Okay, on this video, we will discuss the transversal lines, including the parallel lines. Okay? The transversal line on the parallel lines. Ayan, that would be our topic. But before that, let's have the different objectives. Number one, define and illustrate a transversal. Number two, identify the angles formed by the parallel lines cut by a transversal. And number three, determine the relationship between pair of angles formed by the parallel lines cut by a transversal. Ayan, that would be our objectives. Okay, parallel lines. Konting review lang muna tayo. Parallel lines are coplanar lines that do not intersect. If we will extend those lines, which is line S and line T, then they will not intersect. Kahit pa gaano ka-extend na gagawin natin dyan, hindi na yan mag-i-intersect. Then, the symbol used to denote parallel is this symbol. Okay? It denotes parallel. Kapag nakikita tayo ng ganitong symbol, ibig sabihin yan, it symbolize parallel. Example on this illustration, we have here like this, and it will read as line S is parallel to line T. Okay. Now, what is a transversal? Transversal line is a line intersecting two or more lines at different points. Okay, a line intersecting two or more lines at different points. Example, we have here line L and line N. Okay, meron tayong dalawang linya, line L and line N. Then, we will have here a line intersecting these two lines. This yellow line intersect line L and line N. And remember, the definition is intersecting two or more lines at different points. At different points, this would be the point of intersection, and this would be another point of intersection. Ayan, different points of intersection. And that is what we call that line. Okay, example line L, that line is what we call the transversal line. Intersect two lines at different points. Ayan, different points. And that is transversal line. Okay, now, because of that, because of this transversal line, we can create an angle or different angles. Okay, let's have here angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, and angle 8. Okay, we have here 8 angles. Now, these angles is what we call the interior angles. Okay, itong nasa loob, ayan, yan ay tinatawag nating interior angles. Lahat yan, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, and angle 6. Then, yung nasa labas na part, yun ay tinatawag nating exterior angle. Ayan, the exterior angle. Okay, alamin natin bakit nasa loob at nasa labas yan. Okay, the interior angles are 3, angle 4, angle 5, and angle 6. The exterior angles are angle 1, angle 2, angle 7, and angle 8. Bakit siya exterior and interior? Observe, this would be our line, and this one is another line. Parang ito ay tinatawag nating wall. Okay, para siyang wall. Okay, ayan, para siyang wall, yung dalawa na yan. Ibig sabihin, ito yung nasa loob ng mga angle, then ito yung nasa labas na part na mga angle. Okay, kapag sinabi natin nasa loob, interior, then kapag sinabi natin nasa labas, exterior. Ayan. In a parallel lines, we have the angle pairs. Okay? The different angle pairs. The first one is what we call corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are pair of non-adjacent interior angles and exterior angles on the same side of a transversal. Again, non-adjacent, ibig sabihin hindi magkatabi. Non-adjacent interior angles and exterior. Okay? On the same side of the transversal. Remember, this would be our transversal. Ayan, that would be our transversal line. Then the same side angles, angle 1, angle 3, angle 5, and angle 7. Meron din sa kabila, paano ba yan? Nasa right side ng transversal line natin, angle 2, angle 4, angle 6, and angle 8. Okay, now, kapag sinabi natin angle 1, example, this one, angle 1. Okay, next. The corresponding angle of angle 1 is angle 3. Is angle 3? No. Remember, they are non-adjacent. Okay? Non-adjacent. Ibig sabihin, hindi pwede si angle 3. Now, dito tayo. Ang natitira na lang sa same side. Kasi nga, same side tayo, di ba? 5 and 7. Pwede ba si 7? Now, remember, the condition is interior angles and exterior. Ano ba si angle 1? Interior or exterior? Angle 1 is exterior, then the partner must be interior. And that is angle 5. Okay, that is angle 5. And that is the corresponding angles. Angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding angles. Pwede natin sabihin, angle 1 corresponds to angle 5. Ayan, angle 1 and angle 5. Ano pa ba? Ano pa yung mga corresponding angles? Okay, if we will have here angle 2. Ano yung corresponds ng angle 2? It corresponds to angle 6. Next, angle 3. Angle 3 is interior. Same side niya. Na exterior, which is angle 7. Next is angle 4. Okay, we have here angle 4. Angle 4 is interior, exterior. That corresponds to angle 4 is angle 8. Okay, very good. But remember, we have here a theorem. If two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then its corresponding angles are congruent. Ibig sabihin, equal yung measurement. Okay, that is a congruent. Kapag a parallel lines cut by a transversal. Okay, let's have here an example. That would be our theorem for the corresponding angles. Example, line L and line N are parallel lines. Remember, this symbol is parallel lines. Line L is parallel to line N, and it is cut by a transversal line which is line M. Now, if angle 1 is equal to 110 degrees, okay, if angle 1 measures 110 degrees, then angle 1 corresponds to angle 5. The question is, what is the measure of angle 5? The measure of angle 5 is the same, which is 110 degrees, because they are corresponding angles. And the corresponding angles, if the parallel lines cut by transversal, the corresponding angles are congruent. The same measurement, which is 110. Now, if the measure of angle 2 is 70 degrees, ayan, example, this one is, if angle 2 measures 70 degrees, then angle 2 corresponds to angle 6. Angle 6 also is 70 degrees. Ayan. Now, if angle 3 is 70 degrees, ayan, 70 degrees, it corresponds to angle 7. Then, angle 7 is 70 degrees. Now, angle 4 is 110. It corresponds to angle 8. Then, angle 8 is also 110 degrees. Okay? That is a corresponding angles. Ayan. That is our first pair of angles formed by the transversal. Now, the second one, or the second angle pair that formed by the transversal is the alternate interior angle. Okay, from the word alternate, ibig sabihin magkabilaan, then interior, ibig sabihin nasa loob na angles. Okay? Are pair of non-adjacent interior angles on opposite side of the transversal. Okay, opposite side. Alamin muna natin. Interior angles, non-adjacent. Example, if we will have here angle 3. Okay? Angle 3. Ano yung ka-adjacent ni angle 3 na interior angles? Okay, adjacent niya is si angle 4. Okay, adjacent ng angle 3 is angle 4. But remember, non-adjacent. Ibig sabihin, hindi pwede si angle 4. Next, opposite side of the transversal. Okay, now, the remaining interior is 5 and 6. 5 and 6. Now, 3 and 5, same side. Tama? Same side ng transversal natin na M. Pero ang tinatanong, opposite side. Ano pa yung natitira na opposite side? Which is, kung si 3 ay nasa left side, then si 6 ay nasa right side, ito yung ka-alternate interior angles. Okay, we have here angle 3 and angle 6. Then, meron pa tayong interior angles which is angle 4 and angle 5. Okay, those are the alternate interior angles. Hindi na pwede si 1, 2, 7, and 8 kasi exterior angle sila. Then remember, interior tayo. Okay, but the theorem states that if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then its alternate interior angles are congruent. Ibig sabihin, if line L is parallel to line N, then states that angle 3 is congruent to angle 6. Ayan. Because angle 3 is the alternate interior of angle 6, then they are congruent if these two lines are parallel. Then angle 4, alternate interior angles of angle 5, then they are congruent according to the theorem. If angle 3 is equal to 70 degrees, if this would be 70 degrees, what would be the measure of angle 6? Angle 6 is also 70 degrees. According to the theorem, they are congruent. Ayan. Now, if angle 4 is 110, ano si angle 5? Remember, they are congruent. Then, angle 5 is also 110 degrees. Ayan. That is the alternate interior angles. That one is the alternate exterior. Ayan, exterior naman tayo. Ibig sabihin, nasa labas. Are pair of non-adjacent exterior angles on opposite side of the transversal. If we will have here angle 1, the alternate exterior is angle 8. Ayan, angle 1 and angle 8, angle 2 and angle 7. Then the theorem states that if two parallel lines are cut by transversal, then its alternate exterior angles are congruent. Yan. They are congruent. Example, angle 1, ito exterior angle which is angle 1, is alternate exterior angle, partner niya is si 8, then they are congruent. If we will have here angle 2, the partner is angle 7, then they are also congruent. If angle 2 is 70 degrees, then angle 7 is also 70 degrees because they are congruent. If angle 1 is 110, then angle 8 is also 110 degrees. Okay. Ano na yan? Angle pair. Meron tayong corresponding angles, alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles. The next one is same side interior angles. Okay, same side. Ibig sabihin, 3 and 5 interior. Ayan. 3 and 5 are the same side interior angles. Okay. 3 and 5. Then 4 and 6. Same side sila. Nasa left side. Then, ito namang si 4 at saka si 6 ay nasa right side. Ayan, nasa right side sila, si 4 at saka si 6. Ayan. Now, the theorem states that if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then the interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. Ano yung ibig sabihin ng supplementary? The sum is 180 degrees. Okay. Then the sum is 180 degrees. The example, line L is parallel to line N. Now, angle 3, kasi interior tayo, same side interior. Angle 3 plus angle 5 is 180. Kasi nga, supplementary, the sum is 180. Now, angle 4 and angle 6 is also equal to 180. Now, if the measure of angle 3 is 70 degrees, ayan, then the measure of angle 5 is 110. If the measure of angle 4, example, kapag si angle 4 is 110 degrees plus blank, then 180 degrees, ano yung i-add natin para mabuo yung 180? Meron tayong 110. Or simply subtract 180 minus 110, then that is 70. Okay? That is the same side interior angles. Okay, corresponding angles, alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles, and same side interior angles. Okay, next, the same side interior exterior. Okay, rather, okay, exterior angles, that is exterior. Ayan. Exterior angles are exterior angles on the same side of the transversal. Ayan. Angle 1 and angle 7. And another one, angle 8 and angle 2. Ayan. Now, angle 1 and angle 7, angle 2 and angle 8. Now, the theorem states that if the parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then the exterior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary again, and that is 180 degrees. Okay. Example, angle 1 plus angle 7 is equal to 180 because angle 1 and angle 7 are same side exterior angles. Okay. And angle 2 and angle 8 are same side exterior angles, therefore the sum of their angles is 180 degrees. Okay, example, if angle 2 is 70 degrees, if this would be 70 degrees equals 180, what would be the measure of angle 8 to get 180? Okay, the measure is 110 degrees. Now, if angle 1 measures 110 degrees plus, okay, equals to 180, what is the measure of angle 7? To create 180, it means 180 minus 110, and that is 70 degrees. Okay, that is the same side exterior angles theorem. Now, let's try this. Identify the following if line R is parallel to line S, cut by a transversal which is line T. Okay, the corresponding angles. Identify the corresponding angles. We have here alternate interior angles and alternate exterior angles. Okay, the corresponding angles are, okay, angle 1 corresponds to angle 3. Then, angle 2 and angle 4. Angle 5 and angle 7. Angle 6 and angle 8. Okay, huwag kayong malilito. Always remember that these lines cut by transversal, automatic that these lines, isipin na lang natin that is what we call wall or pader. Ayan. Okay, mga wall yan. Ibig sabihin, yun ang interior at saka exterior angles. Okay, the alternate exterior. Ibig sabihin, if we will have angle 2, the alternate is angle 7. If we will have angle 3, 6, then the alternate interior is angle 3. Now, exterior tayo. If we have angle 1, then partner niya is angle 8. If we will have angle 4, then ang partner niya is angle 5. Ayan. Next. Same side interior angles. Same side interior angles. Angle 2 and angle 3. Angle 6 and angle 7. Next, same side exterior angles. Angle 1 and angle 4. Angle 5 and angle 8. Okay, good job. Now, let's try this. If we will have here the given that measure of angle 7 is 106. Example, angle 7. This one is 106 degrees. Find the measure of angle 1, the measure of angle 2, the measure of angle 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. Kasi nga 7 is 106. Now, eto. Angle 7 and angle 2 are corresponding angles. Therefore, according to the theorem, since it is parallel lines, then it is equal to 106 degrees. Ayan, 106 degrees. Therefore, angle 2 is 106 degrees. Ayan, 106 degrees. Now, since angle 2 is 106 degrees, then remember, 1 and 2 is what we call supplementary angles. Okay? They are supplementary angles. Okay? It have a straight line and then another, two lines, adjacent lines, have a common vertex and a common side. Okay? They are adjacent angles and it form a 90 degrees. Okay? Therefore, 180 degrees supplementary. Then, we will have here 180 minus 106. Then, carry 1. It means 7. Okay? It means 10 minus 6 is 4. Bring down 7. 1 minus 1 is 0. Then, the remaining is 74 degrees. Since angle 2 is 106, then directly angle 1 is 74 degrees. Okay, that is why we have here 74 degrees. Then angle 2 is 106 degrees. How about angle 3? Then angle 1 and angle 3 are corresponding angles. They are congruent, therefore it is also 74 degrees. How about angle 4? Now, angle 2 and angle 4 are corresponding angles. Then they are congruent, therefore it is 106. How about angle 5? Now, angle 5 and angle 7 are corresponding angles, then they are congruent. How about angle 6? Remember, 3 and 6 are alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles and they are congruent. What is the measure of angle 3? 74. Therefore, angle 6 is 74. How about angle 8? 6 and 8 are corresponding angles. Then, the measure of angle 6 is 74. Therefore, angle 8 is 74 degrees. Okay, that is how to apply the transversal. Okay, that is a transversal line cut by parallel lines cut by a transversal. Okay? And thank you for watching Pamati tutorial. Makinig, manood, at matuto. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this